September we met.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yvonne Okeke, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Like, it doesn't take anything, just hit the subscribe button and then it's done. You know, I need it and you need it, we need it. So just do it, okay? If you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. I'm really grateful that you guys keep coming back. Like, I feel so great that you guys keep coming back to my channel. Anyways, not to rush because I have a lot of things to do today. Not that I don't have time to do, but Nigeria is messed up, so I'm just going to go ahead and say whatever I want to. Today's topic is going to be about side hustles which students can be doing in school that can be giving us a little amount of money anyhow, but it's just side hustles. So let's start with first one. You know, girls, we like beauty. If you're a girl or a guy, you can go into making hair, you can go into making nails and like a salon, fixing lashes, carving their brows. We girls who like looking good, so that is a good one, it's a good side hustle to be into. Well, second one is cleaning service. You can decide to, a lot of students like me were very lazy, so we don't have any problem with people coming to clean for us. So we can become a cleaning server and just come and clean people's room, doors, and get your money and cash out. Right? Another one is makeup artists. A lot of girls now are into makeup. They tend to do makeup for students or for grown-ups, lecturers, anybody that can do makeup. Just go and learn it. And now it's even affordable to learn makeup. As of my time when I learned my makeup, it was very expensive. So you can actually go ahead and use it as another one is tailoring. Tailoring is also a good one. You can learn how to sew clothes, so you can make clothes for your fellow students, for teachers, for your mom's friend, your father's friend, your whosoever you know you want to make clothes for. Another point is photography. You can also start, you want to have a camera, even your phone, your iPhone can do a lot for you, your Samsung can do a lot for you. You can just start taking pictures, birthday shoots, students that want professional pictures on Instagram. All you just need to do is learn the photography and learn how to edit it. And I know that a lot of people now do these shows like how to learn all those things for free, and you can just do it. Another point is tutoring. You can learn how to you're intelligent, know how to tutor your fellow classmates. You can start tutoring them. You can teach them about this topic, and all they need to do, like in my school we have to pay 500 naira. You know, imagine 100 people paying 500 naira. You know how much you're making? That's much. And trust me, not only my department. Come on, another one is T-shirt printing. You can learn how to print people's face on their T-shirt. The recent one now is pillow print. Like if someone prints your face on your pillow and you pay money, that's an easy task. You can learn how to do that and you can make money with it. Another one is writing articles. There are some ads that when you write your article, you can put it there and they pay you. It's as easy as like magazines. You can write articles for them and you can post and they get your money. Uber driving, like people that stay in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, that have Uber, or anywhere you are, like in the East Nigeria, we don't have anything like Uber. But even if you have a car, if you have a private car, you can actually help and drive people to wherever they want to go, and then you catch your money. That easy. So one is signing up as ambassadors to some app. Like I usually use this brand ambassador app and I get paid at any post I make on my Instagram page. And there's another one, this ambassador. I'm very sure because that one is really good and it pays really well. You guys should go and check it. I'm going to leave a link below if I could get a link, or I'm just going to post the whatever on the screen here, and then you guys can see, and it's very easy for you guys to sign up. Another one is selling your notes and textbook. Like even though it's really difficult nowadays because some lecturers want you to buy their textbook by yourself. They tell you to create your own library. But if that lecturer doesn't really require you to buy it the much you're gonna buy the textbook, then why are you stressing yourself? All you need to do is sell your textbook that you've gotten to your junior ones, or like the junior set that is coming in, you can sell your textbook to them, you can sell your notes to them, you can make money there selling your notes, selling your. Another point again is modeling. Modeling now comes in different form. You can see models that are skinny, you can see plus size models, you can see face models, and you can as well see dark, fair, tall, short, any type of modeling. It comes in different forms, so you can decide to be a model. And there are lots of apps now looking for models. There are lots of tailors, photographers, companies. You can become a marketing person like Oriflame. You can market hair products for people. If you are keeping natural, if you're keeping any sort of hair that you know that they need, you can market it for them. It's that easy, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.